Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we're going to see how to color code a drop-down list in Google Sheets. To validate the data that is entered in a cell, it is possible to create a drop-down list that restricts the values allowed in that cell. In this example, we have a form, and for age, there is a drop-down that lists the allowed values for this cell. So this drop-down is built of this list that specifies the values allowed for the cell. Having done this, you may want to color code the values so that when you're looking at the data, consolidated data, it is easy to say what types of responses have been given or what type of values have been entered for that cell. So we select the cell with the drop-down, go to Format and select Conditional Formatting. Now this opens the conditional format rules pane to the right. So here I see the first parameter is applied to range, and since I've already selected the cell, the cell address is already populated here, which is C3. Now I need to specify the first rule. So I will choose text that is exactly, and I have to specify either I can type the text here, but here I want to give a reference to the cell that contains the value, which is G2. I can then choose a color for this. I'm going to choose this teal color, and this is the rule applied for the first value. I now need to add rules for each one of the values since I want different colors displayed for each value. So I'll say add another rule. So the next one is is for G3, and I will change the color here. Now let's add another one for G4 and specify another color. And the final one is for G5, and I specify a different color for that. So when I have added all my rules, I'll say done. And now you can see all the rules are displayed here. Now instead of typing the value here, I've used the cell reference. This is G2, because if this value changes, I do not need to go and redefine the color codes as well. Now let's see if this works. If I go and select 18 to 40, it displays orange, which is G3, that is correct. And I can check the other values as well. The colors will change accordingly. So this is how to color code a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Please read the appended article for further guidance.